Craven. I'm a master gardener with my certification in permaculture design. Today we're going to talk about how to make tomato grow bags. So not everybody is as lucky enough as I am to have a raised bed garden to grow my tomatoes on. And some people, even if they had a raised bed garden, that might not be the best way for them to grow tomatoes. A lot of people like the flexibility of having their tomatoes in containers or in some type of a hanging pot, and that's perfectly fine. That can allow you to move it to go with the sun so that your tomato really enhances that. So what I want to talk about is you ideally should get a pot for your tomatoes. And it can be a hanging pot or a pot that would be on the ground or a pot that you'd put on a table. And what you'll do is at the bottom of the pot is you'd put some large rocks. And then you want to go ahead and put in some charcoal. And this way, if you do overwater the tomatoes, the charcoal would absorb some of that water and really the antifungal purposes so that it doesn't get root rot. And then you want to get a plastic bag just like this. And you'd actually poke a bunch of holes at the bottom of the bag for drainage. And then you want to, inside the plastic bag, put your garden soil. And finally, you just put in that seedling of the tomato plant. And you make it nice and flush, about 2 or 3 inches below the top of the pot. And that will allow you to grow tomatoes in this grow bag within the pot. You could do the same thing in a hanging container, and you can have flexibility of using the tomato in this pot in front of your house as decorative, or have it on the patio as decorative. Another tip I'd give you with this, along with the tomatoes, that will really enhance the taste of your tomatoes. Thank you for joining this session.